In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show month in Jobber 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your calendar to a month view so you can see your entire schedule at a glance and plan with confidence. First, open Jobber in your browser and head to your main workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical panel is your navigation hub. It's where you jump between key areas like clients, work, and your calendar. We're going to use it to get straight to your schedule. Find Schedule in that left-hand panel and click it. This opens your calendar in Jobber. Depending on what you used last, you might land on a day or week layout by default. That's totally fine. We're only one click away from the bigger picture. Now, shift your attention to the top right area of the schedule page. This is where Jobber keeps the view controls. You'll typically see options like day, week, and month. We're focusing on month so you can see all your bookings, visits, and tasks laid out across the entire month. Go ahead and click month. The calendar will expand into a month grid showing each date with your scheduled work stacked neatly inside. This view is incredibly helpful for capacity planning, spotting gaps, and avoiding overbooking. If your team color codes or labels are set up, you'll notice those carry through here as well, making it easy to scan and understand who's doing what and when. A couple of tips as you review the month layout: if your screen is smaller or you've zoomed in, some labels may compress. Hover over or open individual items as needed to read full details. If your sidebar ever collapses, it's just Jobber making more room for your calendar. You can bring it back when you need to navigate elsewhere. And if your interface looks slightly different, don't worry, Jobber sometimes updates its design, but the month option remains in the top right of the schedule. That's all there is to it. Open Jobber. Use the left-hand panel to get to Schedule, then look to the top right and select Month. With this view, you can map out busy seasons, align recurring work, and keep everyone on the same page. If you manage multiple teams, the month layout makes it much easier to balance workloads and plan ahead. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, take a moment now to switch your schedule to month and review the upcoming weeks. You'll have a clearer picture of your operations in just a few clicks.